So I got it on the test stand and it's ticking away. The suspension spring was broken, and this particular clock, it takes a suspension spring to where this pendulum leader wire can loop into it because it has a hook on it. A lot of the suspension springs have a pin at the bottom where the pendulum leader wire hooks onto, but this one has a hook that it goes into the hole. So I'm going to let it tick away for a day, and in the meantime I have to work on the case, fixing that up to where it was broken. Again, I hope you all like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.